Aircraft Rescue and Firefighting Marines visited Marine Fighter Attack Squadron 232 to view potential firefighting hazards on the FA-18 Hornet. The training pointed out different locations on the aircraft that impedes the firefighters' mission of putting out fires faster.
We went out to one of the squadrons, got a familiarization upon the 18, like how to approach the aircraft safely to be able to help the pilots and crew members out in cases of emergency situations.
The training is a confidence builder for Marines by having them interact closer to the aircraft without fires being present, while teaching about flammable parts of the aircraft that a firefighter could potentially struggle with.
Every ARP personnel should know their aircraft. It's critical because not only is their lives on, the pilot's life is on our hand if anything goes down, but the government property, we want to prevent as much hazards as possible.
The training differed from regular checks ARF conducts by having aircraft maintainers from VMFA 232 share their experience and wealth of knowledge. Reporting from Marine Corps Air Station Iwakuni, Japan, I'm Marine Corporal Kate Busto.